What's going on, guys? Welcome back to another video. It's your man Jay. Time to drop a jewel on you. This Montage case is one of the most fire cases that you can get from BENKS. It was also one of BENKS's best full coverage cases that kind of took off, and a lot of people love this particular case. Disregard this picture up here. Inside of here is the case for the iPhone Air. So you can see right there, bars, iPhone Air. So I'm going to go ahead and slide it open here. Ooh wee, yeah, son. This thing is nice. This case right here has really, genuinely, given them. I wonder what the heck. It's giving them some reach. This is like this. So here's the box and everything. If you want to read this, some people are caught up in, they like to read, see what's going on with the specs and all that kind of stuff. But it's up to you to discern if you want to. I'm just going to hit it right here so you can check it out. Just like that. There you go. And this is the packaging. Again, I don't know why they have a picture. All the cases have this same picture on it, but it's a different name. And let me show you the 17. Here it is for the 17. As you can see, it just says 17, but it's got that same picture right here. But it's for the 17. So just bear that in mind when you get yours in the mail. Don't think that something's wrong. So let's move this out of the way before I confuse people. Now here's the case itself. And again, the reason this turned out to be like the fire case, because it was one, it feels good. This is actually textured right here. Both of these is textured. Over here is really grippy. Like this area is super grippy. This has like a texture. This has a texture. And on the sides, it's like really smooth. So when you get this out of the box, don't think that it's a flat out just smooth case. It has texture. So let me cut this off right here real quick. And we're going to put it on. Let's cut this off. Just like that. Oh, let me get you again. He's trying to get away from me. That thing is on. That's some tough little locking, little tab they got on there. That's that official. That lets you know that it's official right there. Just like that. My man. So, yeah, on this side right here, I like the gold trim. It's got a gold trim around it. You can get some with silver trim as well, I believe. For some of the other ones, I know that one for the 17 I just show you has like a silver trim on it. This button right here, as you can see, this is for the camera, and it's got like a little, it's like a little, it's made for the camera. You can see like the contacts in there for like the swiping or whatever. So when you do it, you can still use this case and use it to adjust the camera position. You have to like this little champagne, like really light gold. It's really nice. The Montage art case is just a beast mode case. It's like a little metal frame around here for protection. You got your MagSafe joint there. Let's get it. I'll show you what I'm talking about. They have some of the strongest magnets ever. Really strong, man. Really nice. You got your branding in there. It's letting you know you got some MagSafe things going on. Built with Kevlar. You can see right there. Now we're going to put on this. This is one of my favorite cases, man. I mean, it's just one of my favorite. Ooh wee. This thing, I think I'm getting ready to rock this case. I have to. This thing is crazy nice. This is one of those cases where it's thin and it's still, the phone is thin and still the phone still feels thin. That's that crazy work right there. So you got a big lip around the camera, but it evens it out. So now if you're one of those people that text like this, you're gonna love this case. There's no destroying this camera right here. Not right away, I'll say, because it's got a big, nice little designer lip. It looks nice, man. It matches the buttons here. So let me show you with the camera when you launch it. All right, okay, come on, let's do it this way. Oh, they got some other stuff. Once downloaded, show. Okay, we'll get into it. I'll do it later. Let me get into the camera right away. I'll do that later. But when you use this right here, you can see it's made to where you can still adjust. See? You got to have like that slide on there. And that's what this case is made for, with the little touch things on the inside. You got lip protection. I have a tempered glass on here too. So this thing is, this is one of the best feeling cases I've used for the Air to date. I gotta say it, man. And I got several, son. All the other ones feel thicker for some reason, like a little bit, and that's saying a lot because this phone is really thin, and so the other cases feel thin, but this one, the way it's cut, it's kind of chamfered off, like with the phone. This is one of my. I think this might be my new favorite case. Ooh wee. This might be my new favorite case. This thing is crazy right here. Ooh, man. You can see the power button. You got your volume rocker. Nice and smooth. Yeah, this case, the traveling feedback on the actual buttons too is fire. It's really good. And we're talking about BENKS though. We're not talking about a company that, and it's you know how to use a terminator to pay to play. This is one of those pay to plays. I'll leave a link in the description. It's not like overly priced expensive, but it's not gonna be $19, son. If you know BENKS, then you're getting quality fire products, man. So I'm not gonna drag it. You know what I'm saying? I just had to go ahead and I'm actually keeping this on because this phone is so thin. That's why I have a case on my edge as well. I have a case on my edge as well because it's just so thin. So I really like this because you guys know I'm team no case. If you don't know, I'm team no case. I don't wear cases. Not all day, but I'm getting ready to rock with this case, man. Oof, guys, this thing is fired. I mean, the grip is in the right spots. I love it, man. And it also helps that I really like the phone. It's your man Jay. I hope you guys enjoyed. The link to purchase this is in the description. I'll follow up later on because I got the 17 that I'm gonna start reviewing soon. So look out for content on that at some point. But for now, we're still rocking with the Air full throttle. But anyway, link to this one is in the description. I'll see you in the next one. Take care.